Have you ever conducted any experiments in your life? What did you learn from them? Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T. Today we are exploring the power of learning through experiments, a hands-on teaching method that can make lessons truly unforgettable. Most of us have conducted experiments in a science lab while at school, and we know how they have left a lasting impact. But it's essential for experiments, specially conducted with young students, to be conducted thoughtfully and ethically. When I conduct workshops for teachers, I often emphasize that experiments in education give students the chance to apply knowledge practically. They encourage creativity, critical thinking, and a real-world understanding of life skills. A classic example of this is the famous egg drop experiment, which is commonly used in schools worldwide. In this experiment, students are challenged to design a protective container to keep an egg intact when dropped from a height. It's an exciting project that teaches concepts like gravity, force, and engineering. It's fun, memorable, and encourages teamwork and problem solving. But on the other hand, experiments can have unintended consequences. They are not carefully planned. One controversial and cruel experiment took place in Japan in 2014 when teachers conducted an experiment to teach students about the life cycle and the value of food. Each student was given a pet fish to raise, but at the end of the project, they were asked to make a very difficult and disturbing decision. Either they had to eat that fish that they had raised or release it in the sea, where it would likely not survive, having been raised in captivity. For many students, it was distressing and emotionally troubling. The experiment received a backlash from parents and educators alike, highlighting that ethical considerations must be a priority to ensure students' well-being. So, experiments can be a very powerful tool in educating students if conducted with thoughtful care. They have the potential to inspire curiosity, deepen understanding, and make learning come alive. That's active learning. But it's crucial that schools and teachers design experiments that respect students' boundaries and emotional health. Keep watching Minutes Mastery for such interesting and informative insights.